Before I started posting on YouTube, I thought I would need so much gadgets to start until I had to do my findings and I discovered that no, there are just basic things you need, basic gadgets you need to start YouTube. Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. Stacy here as always, and today's video is just about the things you need to start a YouTube channel. I am new on YouTube, but I know that there are basic things that you will need to start a YouTube channel. Yesterday, I went somewhere and I met a guy. He was like, Omo, I want to start this YouTube, but I don't know how I want take start. They just they bill me. They say make I pay money. They say make I pay money, make they open the channel for me. I was like, bros, you don't need that. You don't need to pay anybody to start YouTube. The first thing you need to know about starting a YouTube is that owning a channel is free. You do not pay to own a channel. You just go on YouTube and register just like the way you registered your Facebook. You do that and voila, you're on YouTube. Then I will go ahead to say that there are some things you actually need money to get them. You can't just start YouTube without some basic gadgets. These gadgets are basic to give you at least um something something of manageable quality for a start. I am not saying that you should start low, but what I'm trying to say is there are basic things, basic gadgets you need to have to start a YouTube channel. So, first of all, we know that to shoot a video, you need a camera, right? But you can start without owning a cinematic camera. You can start with your phone. Your phone has a camera. So, your phone is one vital gadget you need to have. You can start with an Android phone. There are people that use very good Android phones. If the phones have good quality camera, then you're good to go. You know that it will give you something very good for a start. Then the second thing you need to start with is you need to have a good source of light. I am using my ring light here, but that does not mean that you must buy a ring light. If you can't afford a ring light, you can find a good source of light, which could be your window or your door. I have very good source of lightning in my house, but most of the times when it is afternoon, when the sun is out, I might not be available at that moment to shoot a video. So I use my ring light more often. But that does not mean that you must have a ring light. If you have the money to get a ring light, that is fantastic. It will give you a better output. That is just it. But even with the sunlight, I think I like filming with sunlight. I shot two of my videos without the ring light. I went to visit a friend and the reflection from her window was very good. So I shot two of my videos that I uploaded on my channel without ring light. So if you check those videos, you will see that they are still good. The second gadget I consider very, very important and essential is your tripod. You guys, you need your tripod. You need your tripod because nobody wants to be watching a video that is shaking up and down. With a tripod, your video is stable and consistent. It does not move up and down. So you need a tripod. No matter how, you need a tripod. It is not expensive. It must not be that big tripod. I am just using a selfie stick. This small selfie stick to shoot my video. I am not using a big tripod. How much did I buy it? I bought it for 4,500. Yes, I bought it for 4,500. So you see, it is not very expensive. You might get it way below that or above that. But I just know that a selfie stick is not very expensive. I think I have the pack of mine. Let me show you how it looks. Right, this is what I am using. Okay, let me show you how it looks. Right, this is what I am using to shoot my video. I don't know how much it is now because we know that the prices of things in the market are not stable, so you can get your own too. I'll try and see if I can get the IG handle of the seller and put in the description of this video so you access them online. You can also buy from them. I would love to say you should have is a mic, just as this. I am holding mine here. You need a mic. The mic is important because it enhances your voice and it sieves all the noise in the background and takes in only your voice into your video, so you do not end up shooting a video and by the end of that video you discover that all the things happening in your environment is captured in your video. So please, if you can afford a mic, please invest in it. I got mine for 12,000 naira. I don't know how much it is now, but this is how it looks. K9. This is it. You see? Wireless microphone. This is the pack. And the good thing about this particular mic is you can use it for iPhone and for a Type-C um, phone, and you can also use it for your Android phone. So it is adaptable to the different types of phones we have. You don't need to get one for an iPhone, then when you change a phone, you want to use another phone, you go out looking for another mic. This serves you any day, anytime. I got it for 12,000 naira. I don't know how much it is now, but when I got mine, it was 12,000 naira. I got it from the same person I got my selfie stick. I will also add that you need a good background to shoot your video. A good background does not mean that you must have a studio kind of setting. It means that you should have a background that is not very busy, right? Let's say something like this. It is not very busy. There are no distractions in the background. People are not moving up and down. At least I am doing a sit down video, so the background should not have activities going on just like that. It will distract the video. But if you're shooting a video that you have to walk around or you have to do some things with people, that is not bad. Just make sure that your background is captivating or the background suits the kind of video you're shooting. If you have been delaying starting your YouTube journey just because you feel that you need so much money to start it, I shared with you the gadgets you can start with. I told you how much I bought my selfie stick. I told you how much I bought my mic. I did not tell you how much I bought my ring light. I bought it for 12,000 also. So let's do the maths here. I got my ring light for 12,000 naira. I got my mic for 12,000 naira. How much is that? 24,000 naira. Then I got my selfie stick for 4,000, 24,500, 28,500. Then if you have a good phone, you are good to go. So from the maths here, you see that you don't need up to even 30,000 from when I started. I don't know about now, but let's say, let's max it to 35 or 40,000. Let's assume that the prices of all these gadgets have increased in the market. You can still start. If you just have your phone, you're good to go. Please, if you want to start YouTube, go out there and start it. That idea you have in your head, share it with us. YouTube is one place that I go to check for so many things because I see what I am looking for practically done, right? You see how to fix something, you see how to connect something, you see how to cook something. So if you know all of this, why sit in your house when you can share it with us and build a brand for yourself on this platform? You need to do that. Please don't keep your ideas there. Don't let your ideas die. Just go ahead and start with what you have. I hope this video motivated you enough to start. If you have been waiting, I have come here to tell you that you can start. Just start. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. Please don't watch without subscribing. Subscribe to this channel. It is free. You are not charged any amount of money. Just click on that subscribe button and support me. I know you can. I know you're doing that right now. Yeah. All right. Since you've done that, thank you for subscribing and liking this video. Don't forget to share this video with other people that need to start YouTube. Till I come your way again with another interesting video. Have a nice day. Bye.